Alright, so in this example, I'm actually going to show you how to place an order in MetaTrader 4. So first and foremost, I'm going to right click and I'm going to zoom in. I just want to get in on price action, right? So I'm just placing this trade just to show you guys. This is your lot size. This is a standard. So remember, a standard, that's $10 a pip. So if you have a $100 account, you're not trading $10 a pip. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually put in 0. Let's hypothetically say you're trading $1 a pip. So we're going to do 0.10 and I'm going to go into a buy, right? And then I'm going to get this. It's going to give me the disclaimer. I'm going to say, yeah, I know. And we're going to say, okay. So I'm going to have to go back up and click it again. Hit buy. Now I'm actually in the trade. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag this up, actually, which is my take profit. And if you look to the left, it's telling me what I want to take profit at. It's telling me the amount of pips, right? So let's just say I wanted to take profit right here, right? And let's say for a stop loss, I want it to be here. So if price gets right here, what that means is I'm taking profit here. If price goes against me at this level, they're taking me out the trade, so that I want below my account or I'll lose my 3% for the day. This is how you place a trade in MetaTrader 4.